Good morning, children. The last class we are discussing exercise 3.4. Maybe we have solved the problem, few problems we have solved. The remaining problem today we will discuss. We are taking the statement problems, children, here. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Here, what you have to find? You have to find the ages of Noori and Sonu. Okay. Now, here we will take the age of Noori as X and Sonu's age as an Y. So, here 10 years, 5 years ago, the first problem is starting with the 5 years ago only. So 5 years ago, what will be the ages of both? It is the present age of Noori and Sonu. 5 years ago, it will be less than 5. That's why Noori's age is x minus y, x minus 5, whereas Sonu's age is y minus 5. That time when comparison is given, what is that? Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. What is Noori's age? X minus 5. Thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Thrice old as Sonu. What is Sonu's age? Y minus 5. Simplify it. X minus 5. 3 into y, 3y. Plus into minus minus. 3 5 is 15. Send 3y to this side. Minus 5 to this side. X minus 3y will be minus 15 plus 5. By subtraction you are getting minus 10. Call this equation as an 1. Here we will be having one more comparison. What is that? 10 years later. After 10 years. So after 10 years what will be Noori's age? X plus 10. What will be Sonu's age? It is y plus 10. Now what is the comparison they are having? Just check it out. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So, Noori's age is x plus 10 twice. Twice means 2 times the age of Sonu. Sonu age is y plus 10. Again you have to simplify. Multiply with 2. 2 into y, 2y. 2 into 10, 20. Y you send this side 10 to the RHS part. So, plus y will become minus 2y. Plus 10 will become minus 10. 20 minus 10 will be 10. Call this equation as a 2. Just check it out, equation 1 and 2. So x is present in both. Coefficient of x is same. So we will subtract here. Take out both the equation. X minus 3y minus 10. Here x minus 2y is equal to 10. Just subtraction means you have to change the signs. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Again plus will become minus. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Okay. Minus 3y plus 2y is minus y. Here both are negative. Addition. Minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. Both the side minus sign is there. It get cancelled. Okay. Therefore y will be 20. Now let us substitute this value in any one of the equation. 1 or 2. Okay. I have taken first equation only, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. In that I have substituted y value. X as it is, minus 3 as it is. Y value is 20 is equal to minus 10. So 32 is 60. X minus 60 is equal to minus 10. Send minus 10 to this. Minus 60 to the RHS part. Minus 10 plus 60 it will become. 1 is plus, 1 is minus means subtraction. 60 minus 10 is 50. Now we got the ages of both Noori and Sonu. So Noori age is 50 years whereas Sonu age is 20 years. Okay children. Next we will move to the one more problem of the exercise. In this problem, digit actually variation, interchanging of digits. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. That means we are having a 2-digit number. By adding both the digits, the total will be equal to 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So, if you reverse it, it is 9 times the given number is twice the number of a reversed number. Okay, that is the comparison. Now here we have to take a separate variable for tens place and unit place. So 10th place I am taking as a x, whereas unit place I am taking as an a y. Okay, ones will be y, tens will be x. So because x is in 10 place, it is 10x plus y is equal to 9. But what is the thing they have given? Sum of the digits of two digits number is 9. That's why x plus y is equal to 9. Call this as an 1. Now reverse. Reverse means unit place x will come, tens place y will come. So 10y plus x you will be getting. So 10y plus x. What they are saying? 9 times the number. Which is that number? This number. 9 times the number. This number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Twice means 2. Reverse. After reversing what we got? 10y plus x. Okay, that is the thing. Now simplify. 9 into 10, 90x. 9 into y is 9y is equal to 2 into 10 is 20y. 2 into x is 2x. Bring x terms one side, y terms one side. So that time what you will be getting? 90 minus 2 you are getting, which is 88. And it is 20 minus 9 you are getting, which is 11. That's why it is 88x is equal to 11 by. Both are divisible by 11, divided by 11. 11 8s are 11 1s are. Okay. So you will be getting 8x is equal to y. Call it as a 2. Now further, this y value substitute in 1. X plus y is equal to 9 is there. No, there you substitute y value. Okay. X as it is, y is what? 8x is equal to 9. 8x plus x is 9x is equal to 9. So x will be 9 by 9. One side cancels. So x value is 1. After getting x value, in 2 you substitute that value. So y is equal to 8x we are having. 8 into x value is 1, which is 8. So we are getting y value is 8. You can check from this 10x plus y. 10 into x value 1 plus 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. So the number is, take this condition and substitute the value, you will be getting the number. So the number is 18. Okay children. Next we will move to the one more verbal problem. It is related with the rupees. So Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. How much rupees? 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her only rupees 50 and rupees 100. Which notes she is requiring? 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. So the bank has given these notes only. To get 2000 rupees, she got 25 notes. Okay. Now we have to find how many 50 rupees notes are there and how many 100 rupees notes are there in that 25 notes. That is the thing. Here also, let us consider a 50 rupees notes as an x and 100 rupees notes as an y. Total notes, how many we are having? 25 we are having. So 50 into x plus 100 into y is equal to, what is the total amount? 2000 rupees. 50 is the common, remove 50 as a common, x to y is equal to 2000. So after simplification, we are getting x plus 2y is equal to 40. Call it as 1. But what is the total number of notes? 25. That is 50 rupees plus 100 rupees. Totally we will be having 25 notes. Send y to this side. So x will be 25 minus y. Call it as a 2. Now substitute this x value in 1. 1 is what? X plus 2y is equal to 40. Now x value is substitute 25 minus y plus 2y as it is equal to 40. So y 25 as it is minus y plus 2y is only y. 40, send 25 to this side, it is minus 25. 40 minus 25 is 15. So we got y value as 15. Now next we have to substitute y value in this 2 you substitute. What is 2? 25 minus y. So 25, y value is 15. Subtract, you will be getting x as a 10. Okay. So how many 50 rupees notes we are having? 10 50 rupees notes and 15 100 rupees notes. 10 50 rupees notes and 1500 rupees notes will be there. You can verify with this 50x plus 100 by 50 into 10 500, 100 into 15 1500. So which is altogether 2000. Got it? Okay. Next we will move to the last problem of the exercise. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. For the first 3 days, the charges will be fixed, and an additional charge for each day thereafter. If it is more than 3 days, means one day also they are putting in additional charges. Okay. So Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. Sarita, for how many days she kept? 7 days she kept and she paid 21 rupees. While Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Susie, she kept for 5 days and she gave the 21 rupees. Now you have to find the fixed price per 3 days as well as the additional charge. Okay, this is the question. Let us assume fixed charges on x for 3 days and additional charges on a y. How much Sarita paid? 27 for how many days? 7 days. That's why x plus, because x is for 3 days. Out of 7, 3 days has gone, means left is 4. 4 y days additional charge she will be getting. That's why x plus 4y is equal to 27. Now let us take Susie's. Susie paid how much? Rupees 21. For how many days? For 5 days. In 5 days you have to subtract 3. Left will be 2. That is the additional charge. So x plus 2y is equal to 21. Call it as a 2. Solve both. Both are having x. Subtract it. X plus 4y is equal to 27 and x plus 2y is equal to 21. Change the signs. All will become minus. Plus x minus x get cancelled. 4 minus 2 is 2y. 27 minus 21 is 6. So y will be 6 by 2, transforming. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So we got y value as 3. Now substitute y value in any one of the equation. This one only let us take. X plus 4y is equal to 27. X as it is, 4 as it is, y is 3 is equal to 10. For 3's are 12, send the 12 to the RHS part, minus 12. 27 minus 12 is x is equal to 15. So the fixed value for 3 days is 15 and additional charge for each day is 3 rupees. Got it? So these are the exercises problem.